Kickfighter Fightster TV, jetzt hier vom Joya Stand. Joel Seil, thank you for your time. Can you tell us something about your brand?
Joya brand is very famous in Holland. We start with Holland, but we are coming to Germany. For 5 years we try to more do business in Germany, and we have a lot of big gym like MMA Spirit and like Clone Scorpion and big names in Germany. They're using Joya.
And you said you're a hard brand, you're not fashion, right?
Yes, we are more hardware. We are not fashion actually, and we don't want a fashion brand actually, because fashion brand come and go actually, but hardware everybody needs, and it's very important for fighter to have a good hardware, and this is our tool to give them good hardware, because it's important for their health and safety actually.
Do you develop your hardware with athletes as well?
Yes, we have a lot of athletes like Remy Bonjasky, K1 champion, Melvin Maloof, Mike Gym, big name in Holland, Force Gym, and they use and they give us tips how to better our hardware actually.
And you produced in Thailand?
Yes, we make in Thailand, China, like this country, because Thailand hardware is very good always. A lot of big brand coming from Thailand. This quality is good.
And what about the market in Germany? I mean, there are a lot of different brands, but how's the feeling here on the FIBO?
About the hardware, we have no trouble, because our hardware is only within this FIBO. Only we have Thailand manufacturing, and no other brand have here Thailand stuff. That is it's very easy for us, because fighters know the qualities. They come and they can easily feel the quality. It's very easy to sell.
What's your personal connection to fighting?
Personal. If you know every big fighter, and if he go to ring, then you have some feeling. You have some attachment with this. You want he win. Like Ismail, he lose last final K1, but just 2 days before he fight, he come to us and we talk about his next fight, and then we are looking at television, and if he loses, don't feel good.
And you love the K1 game?
Yes, I am more K1 guy. I like K1 fights more.
What's your take on the new Glory series?
Glory going good, because it's good for business, good for fighter who do lot effort to do, because how more they are television, how more they get fights, it's good for them. And if there are good companies coming to develop more K1 style of Glory, it's always good for sports and good for fighters.
You have some favorite fighters?
It's difficult to ask, because I have it's difficult to ask as a brand.
I mean, you have a lot of good fighters in Holland.
Yes, I have 22 fighters in contract this time, K1. And it's very difficult. If I ask somebody, then other one is not happy.
Remy Bonjasky will be on the next cover of our Kickfighter magazine.
Okay, he just fight Glory with Joya. Last London, he lose, but he just meet us. He asked, he come back with good shape and with good condition. He's expecting.
I'm anxious as well.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you for the time.